Hi, David. Welcome to our feedback session for the Knowledge and Exchange Program. For your first question, we'd like to know that as a data manager and the main beneficiary of the Knowledge Exchange Program, how did you find the 2-week workshop?
Thank you for the question. The 2 weeks have been quite informative. The Knowledge Exchange Program has been one eye-opener in matters regarding EBS functionalities and how it can be able to help breeders be able to track from preparation of the experiment all the way to the end. So it's been very informative and intriguing, arousing a lot of interest to even explore more what it can be able even to do, even beyond what is its capabilities now. Yeah.
So can we also know what are the challenges this program addressed for new adoptees of EBS and as the first crop program from your institute?
As a new adoptee, I think one of the challenges that it solves is it helps us now exit the era of having multiple Excel files in matters of data storage into a system that we are able to have a holistic approach in terms of our data management and support. Two, it also helps us in end-to-end management of our experiments, from experiment preparation, creation, all the way to how we collect and what we collect, and also gives us a functionality in terms of data analysis, which in earlier we would use now other platforms. But in this case, we are able to do from end to end until at least we can get data to work in, especially in the breeding pipeline, the breeding cycle.
So how do you find your interactions with the EBS team here in IRRI HQ and the data managers from IRRI?
I can summarize it by saying it's been a friendly one. The EBS, the facilitation has been good. The data managers, very informative, very well equipped and knowledgeable on EBS processes and workflows. Gained very valuable tips in terms of finding my way around the EBS, troubleshooting, and how to solve some certain problems in EBS, which is will really kickstart sort of my small career in data management. Yeah, because I do not have a lot of background in data management, but from the tips that I have gotten from the data managers here and the other facilitators, they've made it easy. Yeah, easy in that they're able to break down even the seemingly complex workflows to really easy and understandable components that I can easily grasp and easy to follow and memorize. Yeah, so it's been a nice time, nice interaction, nice people. It's been friendly. They've not been gloomy. They've been smiling all along from morning till evening. So making it very comfortable. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, David. Do you have any recommendations moving forward?
The recommendations I would have are not necessarily to say that things are not working, but it is something that can further enhance the output and scalability of EBS. One, I would suggest possibly, I know there are regional meetings for the data managers and the EBS support team in networks. If there would be an arrangement where these people can be put together, like even for a week, to share experiences and learn from one another as data managers, because they handle different crops have different challenges. So having these people together in like a common place for like a week, it will enhance the usability and even enhance even use cases. More use cases would be enhanced, and even the existing ones would also be improved to be able to cater for certain needs that maybe are not in other crops. Another recommendation I would give is I know there is a lot of many materials in user guides in the EBS platform, but I know most people don't read because most people don't like reading. If these materials would be packaged in form of webinars from time to time, I think it would assist more because it is the same information in the user guides, but now presented in form of a webinar. I think it will be more beneficial to people because people like sort of something that is presented and they listen in and instead of reading. So those are two of my recommendations that I would give at the moment, not for just for improvement purposes, to be considered in the future. Yes.
All right. Thank you, David. We'll be sure to incorporate your comments in the future installments of the Knowledge Exchange Program.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, and bye to the Philippines. Back to Kenya.